I'm here with Johan Ackerman, who is the coaching consultant looking after the forwards for the Junior Springboks here in the beautiful city of Gqeberha. Johan, good morning. Tell me, how's the preparation going so far in the Bay?
Well, good morning, everyone. It's excellent, and it's been so great to be here back in the Eastern Cape, and the boys are working hard. We got together now after the Easter break, and we are, like I said, in Eastern Cape, and it's just been an exciting time. The players are really looking forward to this great challenge that lies ahead. We're playing against three of the world's best countries, Australia, Argentina, and the All Blacks. And after Georgia, we went to Georgia on a tour a few months ago, and we saw things that we really had to work on. So we're working this next couple of days, and even before the Easter break, we worked a lot on improving those skills and those facets, especially set piece. And this is where we lies ahead of us is this challenge against teams, like I said, who's going to test you in those facets. And there's a couple of days left for us to prep before the tournament kick off.